Hi, welcome to Why Not. We're just fucking with the truck today. It's been a couple days since we posted. Braden's on his way to go get a screwdriver. That's why I took over the camera. Pretty much, we're just hanging out today. We've been having some technical difficulties with our uploading equipment and cameras. Everything's taping, but it's all taping black, so we think the lens might have got cracked. So it's been a couple days since we posted, but we figured we'd just throw a video out today. We're trying to get some shout outs going to some other channels so that we can get things moving forward to start doing some better and badder things for you guys. As you can see, we're right next to the road. Traffic. By the way, we're from Albion, PA. Just kidding, I didn't mean to say it like that, but we're from Albion. Right now we're taking the door panel off because, as you can tell, it poured like crazy here last night, and yeah, everything inside his truck is soaked. I left my driver door of my van open, so everything in my van is soaked. Not the smartest bunch of people. But yeah, he's using a fucking wrench to undo that screwdriver, or that screw. Why not? So we're just gonna try to get the winder down in there on up, and yeah. Let's see if we can get a peek back in here. Oh, look at that, Where's your speaker? Gone. What speaker, right? We got it unclipped now. I'll hold this up.
Oh yeah, show me being a fucking retard. I need a fucking screwdriver.
He went to go get one. I don't know where he went. Stop yelling at me.
I'm not. I'm yelling at Braden.
Braden!
Cameraman, he's not a good tool getter.
He's not. He's Braden.
What's this thing? What are those?
I can't see with your fingers pointing at them.
What are these?
Oh, I don't know. Watch out, take the camera.
Oh, great.
Now
There we go.
on the camera.
Here we go. Everett's gonna break shit like he always does. Look, he cut all my fucking wires out over there. He cut all my wires. They were fucking perfect wires. And he cut them off because he didn't have the right steering column. But I did, really. But he just cut them because he wanted to.
Yep, right before I went to jail, so. Well, actually, I was working on it when I got picked up.
Well, that was much easier than I thought. There, we can just put that back in there.
Stay right on right there.
Who needs a goddamn...
Alright, so windows. We need this off though so I can see the window colors of the wires, you fucking dumbass.
No. What color are they, Everett? Go ahead, tell us.
Well, we got a black one, then we got a black and white one, then we got a black and orange one, then we got a blue one, then we got a pink one.
So wait, you said orange, right?
No, I said black and orange.
Black and orange, no. That's gotta be these fucking things. We're never gonna figure it out.
Right here.
That ain't it. Maybe.
Black and orange, black and orange.
Where did that go?
You tried this.
Over there.
I'll take the cameraman Brandon.
I don't know where the hell that wire goes, guys.
Let's start her up.
She ain't gonna start. The battery dead.
She's gonna start.
This is how we start my truck.
Oh, she is dead. No, she's not.
You hear that, puppy? She runs good. Watch out.
You wanna see how we shift her?
No, we ain't gonna show her right now.
Right there's our floor shifter, put in by us rednecks ourselves. It's a four-wheeler shifter.
It's a four-wheeler kickstart.
Oh, four-wheeler kickstart, my bad. But hey, it kind of works.
Yeah, kinda.
We got some more
Work
messing with it to go, you know, before it'll truly work. Hey! We told you he was not the best tool getter. He is definitely a better cameraman than a tool getter. We are already done and he finally got that screwdriver. Thank you. We didn't need that. Take that back over, sir.
It's because I was getting my shoes on and stuff.
Oh, he was getting ready for the day.
Oh, I had to put a shirt on, I see.
He didn't want fat boobs on the camera. Hey, where you going, cameraman Braden? You can't take the camera and run away. Just hold it over here. We ain't done. We still filming. See? That's why he's a better tool getter, but he still ain't the perfect cameraman yet. And he's facing it at himself the whole time, not even recording us.
Here, come on, man. We got.
Are you gonna even look at the screen? How do you know what you was shooting if you was not? You guys, I take pity on these videos because we know we look retarded, but we do it for y'all.
Cause we don't.
Alright, get that thing out of my face!
Look at my truck. Look at that. Look at the paint.
Yeah,
look at that paint.
Give them a walk around.
Look at that. Look, I didn't paint this door. Cause why the fuck not? You know, we don't need that door painted. That door's all right? All right, but look at this.
Hey,
we got this. Look at that. Look at that good paint job right there.
Where is your cape?
I don't know. In the house. That's that engine. That 350 Chevy. Small block. Beautiful.
Bailey.
Beautiful.
Bailey.
Fucking beautiful engine. And that's some paint job that his sister did. Cat. It looks alright.
She etched it out, actually. That's all she did. She followed the original design with a razor blade and scratched out where the original sticker was.
Looks alright.
Looks alright.
Anyway,
he traded his blown up 400 for this thing, so why not?
Yeah, I traded my blown up 4-wheel for this.
Next. Your flames.
A little rusty and shit, but
I got that purple paint. If you want to paint.
This door's painted. That shit's all painted. What?
You want to paint this? Maverick, leave a like if you think we should paint these flames purple. These flames right here. Should we paint them purple? Maybe even, you know, something around here. Oh yeah, we can get that silver back. Oh, look at that. Just peel it. Oh, don't peel it too far. I peeled it too far. Just peel the whole circle. Peel the whole silver shit. Oh, can we get the flames back to silver? That'd be pretty nice.
You can't be filming your arm, man.
I'm not supposed to be the cameraman. I'm supposed
Cameraman Braden. You're just supposed to follow us around. Follow Brandon around because I'm going to go work on this right here.
Hey, get Gabby. Get Gabby.
Well, I need a big towel. I need a
Get Gabby.
I got to put my bum on it so it ain't getting all wet. Dad?
That's Everett's girlfriend.
Oh, look who came out to provide a shout out. Come on over here, cameraman Braden. Come on over here, cameraman Braden.
Go through the damn window.
She's a little camera shy, don't mind. This is my lovely fiance, Gabrielle. She's expecting.
Oh my God.
And this is gonna be our going on, you know, 19th kid. No, I'm just kidding, 7.
Feels like 19.
Feels like 19. Definitely only 7.
Now we're gonna
You wanna run away now?
Yeah.
Give me a kiss. Mwah, I love you. Shout out to Gabrielle there. Leave a like if you would like her to actually get involved. Leave a subscribe if you would like her to be the star of our next video. Quit pounding! I ain't allowed to go pound anything right now. Oh, he's always pounding something. Does this make you happy?
Come on, I'm trying to get this straightened out.
Did you give me a big towel?
Brandon.
I guess that'll do. I just can't lean back.
Brandon, you guys, is breaking his trip.
I break my shit. I don't fix shit, I break it. If you want something broke, give me a fucking call. I'll be over and break it right now.
We got tail lights, you know, just dangling.
Alright, let's get on the tank for now with this.
Hold on. We'll get in the truck. Oh, wait, move out the way. Boy,
Brandy, would you like to do the honor?